So hello children, we are moving to our last part 15 of our video lesson on trigonometry for class 9. In the beginning part, I have solved exercise 17 and 18.1. This is the last part, the most tough part of exercise 18.2 of M.L. Agrawal's book. Okay, so here we take last 5 questions where we have the toughest question from the complementary angle, which is a part of standard angle. So in my earlier videos I have explained how this formula is derived. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So like that we have 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. So here we go, we have to prove this left hand side is equal to 1. So what we will do, children, we'll start with the left hand side. So this is the question. I'll start with the left hand side and I'll show it is equal to 1. So this last few questions are very tricky, but if you practice you can master this. So see here, one of the values I leave it like this, because our basic idea is to get numerator 1 and denominator 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta, but remember this value or x, sine square x plus cos square x, this should be equal. This should be same. So what I do, this cos remains cos, this I have to convert it to sine. So sine square plus cos square, same angle, we will get 1, and denominator there is into, we will see, we will get 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So this is what I can see in the beginning. So this cos square, if you see how I do here, 90 minus this thing will come, children. The first one, I'll show you how. Okay, see here. 90 minus this. So try to open the bracket and see 90 minus 45 is 45 and 90 minus theta is minus theta. So try to open and you will see you get this. Here, so as I changed 1, here only I'll have to change 1. So here I change the second one, here I'll show you I can change the first one also. Here you can change this also. This will become sine square 45 minus theta. Actually, I'm going to show you cos square 45 plus theta, and this will be sine square 45 plus theta. So here I'm changing the one, but you can change the second, but remember you have to change any one. So tan, here I can write it as 90 minus this angle. This is the trick, children, over here. Let us open and see bracket. 90 minus 30 is 60, minus minus is plus. So when you open this, you see we should get this. And when you open this, we should get this. So keep in mind that one. Tan 30 minus theta. See, my next step will be very important. This is cos square 45 plus theta. This will become cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So here it will become sine square theta. So when square is there, square comes 45 plus theta. So cos square 90 minus theta is cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So cos square 90 minus theta is sine square theta. And children, in the denominator, if you see what we get here, tan becomes cot. Tan 90 minus theta becomes cot. So this will become cot 30 minus theta. And already don't change this and don't change this. You have to change one in numerator and one in denominator. Otherwise, you won't be able to prove. So kindly copy this and the formula. Then I will show you the final part. So kindly pause the video and copy. So next we solve the last part. So we know sine square theta plus cos square theta. See, this has to be same. This value in the bracket, since we have two values. So numerator we get 1. See the denominator. See the denominator, children. So you can write here, children, since sine square x, I'm not using theta, plus cos square x we have seen this earlier, is 1. Now see here, denominator cot, I can write it as 1 by tan. Another thing we know, cot x is 1 by tan x. So here I write, children, 1 by tan 30 minus theta into, already I have tan theta. So this is sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is 1 by tan 30 minus theta into tan theta. Tan 30 minus theta, this will cancel, and both numerator and denominator we get 1, and this is what was my right hand side. So you can write, hence proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you can write since here wherever we use formula. So we write that. Here also you could have written cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and cot tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this is question number 16, children. Kindly pause the video and copy. Then we will do 2 sum from question 17 of exercise 18.2. So next we move on to question number 17, part 1. Find the value of A, where 3a and a minus 6 is an acute angle below 90 degree. This is very important, children, because in 11 and 12 we will see if it is beyond 90 what happens. So very similarly, see here, if I have to find a, both sides should be sine. So now see, how can I convert cos to sine? We know cos 90 minus theta will give me sine theta. So see this one, use of big bracket. This is the main thing. In my previous sum we saw, and this sum. So 90 minus, I have to get minus 6, means it should be 96 minus a. Try to open the bracket and see. This is a very important thing. You can see this. I'll just showing you whether I am right or not. 90 minus 96. Okay, if you open the bracket and minus minus plus a. So finally what I get, children? Minus 6 plus a, which is nothing but a minus 6. See, I have got this. So this is how you'll say, why we are doing, sir? Cos 90 minus theta will give you sine theta, then sine we will omit. Okay, we generally don't cancel, we omit. So this cos 90 minus theta will become sine theta. So leave 90, cos becomes sine. So this is 96 minus a. Okay, since cos 90 minus theta, this is one angle or x, okay, is sine x. You will say, why we want sine, children? Because this side is sine. So we can put implies sine, because 1 equal to sine is there, sine 3a. So this is sine 3a. Now, since both sides we have sine, we can omit sine, like we omit log. So 3a, both sides you remove sine, is 96 minus a. So it becomes a simple equation. A comes here, we get 3a plus a is 96. 4a is 96 degree. Therefore, a is 96 degree by 4, which is 24 degree. Okay, so this is how we do. Once more, sine and this side is cos. Cos, if we want to convert to sine, we have to bring to this format in complementary angle. Cos 90 minus x is sine x. So we write cos 90 minus this. This is the most important part, so please try to understand this. I'll do part 3 also. Part 1 I have done. Part 2 you try to do. Okay, very similar. We'll do 1 or 2 more questions. This is 17, 18 and 19. So this part, children, you try to understand. Okay, this is basic addition and subtraction, but you have to think about it. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then I'll go to part 3 of this question. Let's see part 3 of this question. In the same way, children, cosec we have to write as 90 minus something, then it will become sec. So see this part, 90 minus, okay, here I want minus 27, so it should be minus 117 minus a. Try to see that this is whether this is equal to this or not. Let me show you over here. 90, open the bracket, minus 117 minus minus plus a. So this, children, we get minus 27 plus a. So plus we write always first and negative second. So we get a minus. So this is nothing but this. You will say, why sir, why we are doing like this? Because I have to have in this format, then only in this format sec will be, cosec will become sec. Okay, and then sec I will omit. If I don't do like this format, 90 minus, I won't be able to omit sec from both the side, because both the side you should have the same trigonometric ratio, same t ratio. So now we omit sec from both the side. Okay, sec. X you can call it over here, omitting sec. Okay, so here I get 2a is equal to 117 minus a. This sec is removed, omitted. 2a is this. A comes here, children, with plus sign. So this is like simple equation. Here there is nothing of trigonometry. So we get 3a is 117, a is 117 degree by 3. If you divide, you will get 39 degree. 39 3s is 117. So kindly pause the video. Then I'll do 18 part 2 one sum, and then 19 I'll try to do both the part, and then we end this, conclude this full series of trigonometry for class 9. So next we move on to question 18 part 2. Children, try to do 18 part 1 on your own. So here we have to, not to prove, but to find this theta. So tan 35 will remain tan 35. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta is 1. Now tan 35, this tan I can write it as 1 by cot theta. Okay, then tan 35, this cot theta goes to that side. Okay, now there are two ways of doing, either convert tan to cot or cot to tan. So see how we do here. We let it be tan only. This is easy trigonometric ratio. So cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. Okay, so see what do we get. Tan 35 is tan 90 minus theta. We omit tan from both the side. Okay, omitting tan x. Okay, so 35 degree is equal to 90 minus theta. Theta you bring to this side, it becomes plus, 35 become minus, so we get 55 degree. So once more, little tricky sum, tan cot we have. Okay, so first cot 90 minus theta we write as tan theta. Okay, then both we have tan, but since we have to equate tan, we write 1 by cot. Okay, a tan can go to that side, another logic 1 by tan will give you cot other side, any logic you do. Tan going to that side, I could have done directly, 1 by tan is cot. So now tan and cot I cannot equate, either I convert tan to cot or cot to tan. So here cot I convert to tan. We could have done the other way around. So tan cot theta is tan 90 minus theta, both tan tan. Now we can omit tan, and simply we have a simple equation. 35 is 90 minus theta, theta bring to this side, 35 goes there, so we get theta is 55. So part 1 I have not done. In the same way, you do part 1. So finally, coming to the very end of this 15 series video on trigonometry from M.L. Agrawal's class 9 book, I will do the final sum, and that is question number 19. So kindly pause the video and copy. So in this last sum, before I start doing, there is a trick. So if you know, there are, we already know there are 3 angles. These are the interior angles of triangle ABC. So we know sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. So here we have A plus B, children. So I don't write angle. Remember, A means it's angle A. A plus B, take angle C to that side, is 180 minus C. I hope you have understood. A plus B, C goes to that side. Now we divide by 2. Dividing by 2. A plus B by 2, both side. In any question, you can do any operation both the side. You can multiply, you can divide, you can add. So dividing both side by 2. We get A plus 1 by 2, which is my LHS here. And here, children, we take opposite of LCM. Okay, we break it. So we get 90 minus C by 2. This is 90 if you cancel and C by 2. So A plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. So remember this one, very important result when you do this sum. A plus B by 2 means half of sum of angle A plus B is 90 minus half of angle C. Okay, so see here what I do. I start with left hand side. Okay, cos A plus by 2, we can write it as cos A plus B by 2, I can write it as 90 minus C by 2. Okay, so here again, that when you have 90, we come to the concept of complementary angle. This is what we are doing in this chapter. And we know cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So your cos becomes sine, and this 90 goes and we get sine C by 2. This is nothing but my RHS. Okay, so this is how we prove them equal. Cos A plus B by 2 is sine C by 2. So we had to show that. Okay, we show that once more. Cos A plus B by 2, we have to show it's equal to sine C by 2. So I start with LHS. Before we do the LHS part, this you need to understand. Sum of 3 angle is 180. A plus B is 180 minus C. Divide by 2. You will say, sir, why divide by 2? I want to get 90 here, because this 90 minus C by 2 gives me another complementary angle. This cos gives sine, sine gives cos. So we divide it by 2. So this side is A plus B by 2. And this side we get 90 minus C by 2. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then I come to the very last question, 19.2 of my series of video lesson on trigonometry, exercise 17 and 18. So now we come to the very last question of this last part of my video lesson on trigonometry. You have to prove tan C plus A by 2 is cot B by 2. So this I have not rubbed, children. Here I need C plus A. So here what I have, angle C plus A. So angle A plus angle C. So if you have A and C, B will go to that side. So this will become 180 minus angle BC. C plus A, you get B by 2. See how we get. So here A plus C, this I will make it C. So here I will have B. Okay, A plus C we divide by 2 in the same way. So here what will I get, children? A plus C by 2 is 180 divided by 2. This will be C by 2 will become B by 2. So once more. A plus B by plus C is 180 degree. A plus C, since it is A plus C, children. So I keep A and C, B goes to that side. It is transposed to the other side. A plus C we divide by 2 and here we divide by 2. Why we need 90? Because 90 minus this will give me the other angle. So A plus C by 2 is 180 by 2, opposite of LCM. So this is 90 minus b by 2. So what we do here, again I start with LHS and I'll show you it is equal to RHS. Tan C plus A by 2, A plus C by 2 is 90 minus b by 2. And we know from complementary angle property, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, which is nothing but my RHS. So here you can write since, okay, here you can write since tan 90 minus x is cot x. So can use big bracket here. So tan 90 minus x is cot x. This is what we had to prove. So last few questions were very interesting question on complementary angle. So children, here we come to the end of my 15th video where I have solved all the main questions of trigonometry from M.L. Agarwal's book, exercise 17 and 2 part of exercise 18.1 and 18.2. So kindly see them all nicely and practice what is unsolved and solved example also, because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you children for watching this series of video lesson.